UV safety glasses during this procedure. Turn off the detector and unplug the power cord. Warning: the lamp may still be hot. Proceed with caution and allow the lamp to cool for at least 15 minutes if it is still hot. Remove the detector front cover by lifting the cover off the detector. Unplug the lamp from the front harness. Loosen the 2 fastening screws. Remove the lamp from the detector. Caution: proper disposal of the lamp is needed. Be sure to comply with local environmental and waste disposal regulations. Carefully unpack the new lamp from its packaging while wearing powder-free gloves. Caution: do not touch the glass part of the lamp. This may cause hot spots and cause the lamp to malfunction and reduce its lifetime. Align the new lamp with the set pin and screw holes. Secure it with the screws. Plug the lamp into the lamp harness. Install the power cord and turn on the detector power. If you have not already done so, set the detector wavelength to 230 nanometers by first pressing the diag button and then the 2 button on the front display panel, then entering 230. To set the new lamp install date and enter the serial number, please refer to the user manual for detailed instructions. Finally, log the reference energy seen after adjustment in your equipment logbook.